is Cool Game channel, and check, this is airplane crash madness, and we gonna crash first airplane in this game. Oh, check, hold, wow, check this crashing, check this one, unbelievable, check out, and one more little bit, oh, come on, check, and we don't reach the point now. Our last record. Try again, no problem. Guys, it's funny game. Check. We can go here in the shop and also can buy something here, like bagels or something like this. And okay, rare one. Check. Gold and cars. Okay, no problem. Let's try to buy like an engine for our airplane. Airplane without engine and without fuel. They think they can fly. Okay, let's try. No problems for me. Ooh, check. Ooh, come on. And we need to, we need to pass through this. Oh no. Yes, almost. We was close. One more time. One more time. Get our. Okay. Fuel. No problem. Engine. Level 8. Woo. Cool. We're repairing or I don't know, buying what we're doing. I don't understand. Okay, but the most funny is check. Woo. You see the line there? Oh yes, crash. Oh yes. Oh, more. Oh, no. Oh, little bit more. Check, this is pressing machine. Yes, just like that. Just like this. Oh, yes, we reach. Okay, can we pass over? I don't know. Okay, what we got? We got money, $1,019. Okay, I think the fuel is most important. Oh. Sport complex. Okay, no, fuel first. Fuel. Level 13. Okay, engine. Okay, no more. Okay, let's try. Check. Ay. Check the guy. Oh. Wow. That's. Oh, yes. We passed through. Okay, the best results. No problemas. Check one more time. Okay, upgrade more. More upgrade. More fuel. More fuel. Come on. What is open now? 3 minutes. No go. No good. Check this one, guys. Check. Wow. Come on. Do we cross the line or not? Do we cross? Check this. Ooh, check this excellent following. And check. Even not reach the point. Okay. 240. Okay, engine got new one. Excellent. Fuel level 14. Check this one. Crashing. Ooh, I'm flying. Woo. Oh no, I'm crashing, I'm smashing. Ooh, just check. This is drug dealer's plant. Oh yes. Check this one. We almost 380 meters. Okay, new engine. Check and fuel. What is engine without fuel? Check. Ooh, that's not enough. Start line. Okay, we got some fuel, but it's finish very fast. Okay, just like that. Ooh, come on. Following. Ooh. Okay, right place. We came to right place. The smashing machine. And you'll be happy to smash us. Okay. 240 meters. Check it out. No problems, guys. One more time. One more, just like this. Okay. Oh, check this huge airbus. Whoo, okay. Wow, wow. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. More. Check. It's possible to reach the line or not. You see line over there. Oh, we in fire. Oh, 292 meters. That's record. Cool, cool, guys. Let more, let more. Oh, no, no, no. Of course, of course. Engine, fuel, fuel, fuel. Come on, come on, come on. Baby, light my fire. Come on. I'm flying, I'm flying. Ooh. No, 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 I'm crashing. Check. We got other way to crash. Woo! Okay, we pass this machine, crashing machine. And that's plant again. Again. Check. We are okay. I came to I looking for job. Can you take me on your job? I Okay, one more time. Let's go get the job. Let's go. Okay, more fuel. We got a lot of fuel. Okay, woo, take this one. Woo, yes, yes, yes. We got a lot of fuel. Okay, no way, no way. Okay, we pass this. Okay, check, 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 check. Ah, we're doing good. We're going, still going. Keep flying. Okay, you don't want to take me on your job? Get, get. Okay. Wow, 309 meters. That's check. Little bit more, little bit, little bit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Guys, sign up on my channel. Put the like if you like this video. I will make more nice video for you with more nice airplanes. And we finally got the job. Yes, check, check, check. The line is closed. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please, please, cross the line. Cross the line. One more little step. Oh, no, no. But we on fire, guys. Check, check. This is record. This is world record. Check. 342 meters. 332 meters. Come on, come on, come on, my friend. Just do this. Okay, stop, stop, stop. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, we forget upgrade our fuel and our engine, but no, no. Okay. Oh, that's. Oh, okay. Oh, we're still going. Ooh, maybe now, maybe now. Ooh, okay, the hope is life. Still alive. Ah, no, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on, my friend. Fell down, fell down. Come on. My blowing. Ow. I can understand we reach or not, we pass or not, okay. I don't know, but it was close, okay. Put more fuel, put more engine. Okay, we got 4,000, okay, check, we got 14 level of engine, okay. We need to put a lot of fuel in my airplane. No more, what? Okay, guys, check this one. Oh, we're flying, we're flying, we're flying, we're flying. Woo! We almost. Oh, yes. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, yes, 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 check. Ah, no, 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 that's cars. Okay. Oh, whoa, whoa. No, 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 no. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, 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 okay. Ah, we need to pass all of. Okay, no problems, no. The hope still alive. I still hope to find the job. I just came and say, oh, check, I came here on airplane. Make me happy, give me job. Okay, we have to push it. Oh, oh, come on, come on, come on. I'm flying, I'm flying. Oh, I'm crashing. Oh, I'm crashing. Crashing, crashing. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, oh, this crooking wall. This is a crooking wall. Yes. Oh, oh my God. Okay, one more time, guys. One more time we can reach. We can reach this. Okay. Okay, we need like fuel, fuel, fuel. What? What is this? Oh, okay. No problem. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wow. Maybe one time I hit this. Oh, check this. Ah, crashing, 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 crashing. Oh, come on, come on. 2 meters, 2 meters. Ah, there is airport there. Did you see the airplanes? And we're going to go there. Yes, for sure. For sure, we're going to go there. Come on, 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 come on. Just like this, just like this. Yes, check, 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 check. Just like crashing, crashing, crashing. Oh, yes, yes, finally, 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 yes, guys, we won. Oh, yes, my God, yeah, God. Yes, 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 we passed and we got, yes, yes. We are the best with you guys. Put the like and sign up on my channel, and I will more videos for you with more airplanes. Good one, yes, a powerful one. Ooh, you will see. Put the likes, please, guys. If you like, put the likes. Check, and we crashed that big, huge airplane. Okay, we open this box with you. No problem. Check. Ooh, yes. Oh, forklift, forklift, new one, new beautiful forklift. I don't know for what it's him, for me, but it's good. Be sure. Okay, forklift. Oh, let's try the last one. Okay, I choose this forklift, guys. Guys, for you. Okay, no problemas. Go. Go and smash this fabric on forklift. Ooh, that is incredible. Wow, forklift. Ooh, flying forklift. Flying forklift. It's unbelievable. Check. Boo.